Hello out there, all my DIY artsy crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dee, the Messy Perfectionist, and on my channel here I am sharing my love and learning experience for all things DIY or artsy crafty. So today I am sharing another book reveal flip through. You guys, if you've been following along on my channel, you know that I just recently bought and did a book flip through of this book, Mythographic Paradise, and I tried so hard not to be negative or hard on it, but I really just disliked how heavy the hidden objects were in this book. But I really loved the illustrations from this artist. So I took the time to search for that artist on Amazon in the Mythographic series and find one that did not have hidden objects in it. So fingers crossed, we are going to flip through this together for the first time. I have not opened this book. I wanted to do it with you together, and here we are, giving Fabiana Attansio a second chance because she is a brilliant artist. So with that said, if you guys like content like this, or you find this video helpful or joyful in some way, please do consider subscribing to my channel, giving me a like, comment, sharing, all that stuff. It really helps a small channel grow, and I do so appreciate all of you being here and all of your support. Back at another Mythographic book. Quality looks like it's there, it's the same. Pages look like they're the same, good quality, one-sided. Are they perforated? Yes, they are perforated. Let's see, the back here looks like retail price for $17.99 US dollars, in Canada $23.99. We can read a little bit about the author here. She is an illustrator based near Rome, Italy. There's a little excerpt about the book itself. It says, "Step into a mind-bending exploration of spectacular fauna. Mythographic Color and Discover Menagerie is an immersive coloring experience of breathtaking detail and dreamlike imagination. Uncover surreal landscapes and shape-shifting art through the eyes of nature's most majestic creatures in spaces both real and fantastical. Deepen your creative curiosities and expand artistic possibilities with more than 40 hand-drawn illustrations to shade and illuminate. Color the unusual settings, transforming figures, and fascinating animals of mythographic color and discover Menagerie." So let's see. I know last time okay, so it looks like this one is a newer one. It says copyright 2022. Here are some of the other books in the Mythographic series if you are interested. So here we go. First page. Looks pretty already. I like all the different animals that are kind of around here. Elephant here. And little mushrooms. Yes, so this is more like it without all the garbage hidden objects all over. This is very cool, very cool. Look at that. He's like, is he part of the mountain perhaps? Is this like a mountain in the door? It's gorgeous. I love it. Here we have a crane with some of these beautiful little lanterns. Yes, I'm liking this much better than the last one. So I'm glad that I searched for another book in the Mythographic series by this artist, because this is more what I was looking for. These are cute. Are these meerkats? Little meerkats? What's this? What am I looking at here? Oh, this is so strange. This is so strange. They're like serpentine. No, are they serpentine? Are they fish-like? I'm not sure. Very strange little critter. This is like an armadillo. with a water and with like an ocean and fish inside of him. Some sea turtles. A rhino. Little castle coming out of him and plants. Oh. There's something that makes me feel a little bit sad, and I don't know if it's just because, is the baby like an angel? And I don't know, mama or daddy, whoever, looks kind of sad too, but it's a beautiful image, but it does make me a little sad. What do you guys think? Oh, this is interesting. I was thinking it was a unicorn at first, but it's not. It's like a snail, mechanical horse. Very interesting. Cool. Ah, look at this guy. There's keys and the octopus. Interesting image. This is like a mechanical deer or antelope. What are these called? My goodness, it's like right on the tip of my tongue and I can't remember. Either way, it's very cool. I could see doing all of this one in kind of bronze and golds, and like even the background have kind of like a gray or a bronze background. This would be fun. Well, there's a lot of mechanical stuff in here, huh? This shark has like, he's all mechanical. These are fun images. These guys, these are like parrot people. He has hands in suits. Oh, I like this one. You guys know I love my owls and my little fairy houses and mushrooms and things like that. Yeah, I like this very much. Beautiful. Just beautiful eyes. Really nice detail. Oh, this is cute. I feel like I find images in all of these mythographic books that give me Alice in Wonderland vibes, and it's just whenever I see cards or clocks. I know that he's not a rabbit, but I just hear, I'm late for a very important date. My daughter would get a kick out of that if she heard that right now, because we do that. If we are running late somewhere, I will say that to her. Aww. The fish are around and the cat is inside this little thing. It's another bird person. What is up with the bird people? Very strange image. Neat though. Yeah, I'm so far I'm happy with this purchase. I think this is a cool book, and there are lots of things that I think will be very fun to color. I like this, the zebra that's part of the rocks. Oh, this is really neat. It's like backwards rainbow. It's like a flying whale. And the bear. Fishies. This is kind of cool. I'm staring at this picture trying to figure out what I'm looking at. Is this, I mean, that's like water, but this looks like space, like galaxy stuff. I have to spend some time looking at this one. Oh, I love this picture. Oh my goodness. All right, this is my favorite so far. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? Like, this would be a gorgeous tattoo. It really would. Beautiful. And that's just adorable. Little sea lion. Seal? Little seal? Sea lion? Very cute. Aww. That's interesting. This is really cool because this reminds me of, like, is this like the, how do you say it, Aurora Borealis here? But there's, you know, these pyramids. Oh, that's like the Egyptian symbol. Is that the Eye of Horus? Neat. Flying fish airplanes. Okay. That's cute. Little fox. Little mask on. Water. Oh my goodness, this one's adorable. Okay, what are these critters, you guys? Let me know in the comments below. I can't tell if these are they mice or are they like possums? I must know. Very cute. Aww. So is this a panda or a polar bear? I feel like it's a panda. And we've got bamboo, but I was like, is it a polar bear? Because there's snowflakes. I feel like he looks like a panda. Oh, I like this page a lot. A lot. Very pretty. Oh, this is a beautiful image, and you could do beautiful things with this for sure. It's a little puffer fish. That's like a balloon. Cute. Oh, little hedgehogs. I love them. Little sloth. Kangaroos are like part of the trees. Is it a flamingo? I think he's a flamingo. Oh, what are these guys called? It starts with an A. I think they're so adorable too, though. There's lots of things that'll be fun to color in this one. I'm looking forward to starting some pages in here. I like this a lot too. The seahorse, but it's like flowers. It's really pretty. Aw, it's cute too. I feel like I want to do this one in almost dragon colors. Like, I know he's a snake, but I want to do him in red. I don't know if you guys saw the dragon eye picture that I did in Worlds Within Worlds. I really like the way that came out, kind of that color tones. Color palette, I mean. Aww. Little baby giraffe. Sea turtles. You guys know I love sea turtles too. Oh, it's like a mirror, his shell. I just saw that. I like pictures that are interesting. So what do we have here? They're eagles, but their wings are made of water. And this is a desert landscape. It's interesting. Little bat. Some eggs. Nest. I really like his wings. llama, but it's like water. Oh, they're very cute little bunnies. Are they jackalopes? They have antlers. Here's a koala bear. Oh, the lion page is kind of neat. All their manes are different. Wow, okay. Earth. Is that air? Fire, water. Very cool. And another owl page. I like this one. An owl that's part of the mountain over the city and the moon. Well, I guess it's not a moon. It almost looks like a planet. It's neat. Oh, that's interesting. It's a little, what do they call those little dolls? There's like another doorway inside of it. Bird. That's it. We made it to the last page. So there we go. Well, I like it. This was more along the lines of what I was looking for in the Mythographic book that I purchased. What do you guys think? Has this been redeemed since our last flip through? Definitely like these books without the hidden objects. I want to appreciate the beautiful hard work that these artists put in, and I don't want to see stuff all over it that I feel like just ruins all their hard work. So this is done right in my opinion. But what do you guys think? Do you like this? What did you think of Menagerie and the Mythographic series? I thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful rest of your day, and remember to be kind to yourself. Take time for yourself and be kind to each other. Bye.